Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. And this video I'm going to show this 1970 Dodge Challenger TA that's made by Highway 61 at a 1/18 scale. Before we unbox it, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like this video, and to click the bell for news. So let's go on. So I've unboxed the car and taken the clips off, so could pop the hood open and we can take a better look. Let's start by the engine, by the way. This is a very nice 340 six-pack. That's a monster engine with that massive carburation as we find in the Super B six-pack I've shown before. The hood has those coil springs, hinges, systems as we find in the other Highway 61 cars. This grille is very well made, as well as the front panel, the radiator, reservoirs, cables, and all that stuff. We're supposed to have it on this car. The hood is made in metal and flat black, and opens and closes correctly. TA stripes, as well as a 340 six-pack. TA, I'm not quite sure. I think it stands for Trans Am. And I really like those wheels and tires, as well as those blinkers we find here, which are made in pieces of acrylic, actually. A Chrysler pinstripe. We find a right fender. Interior, which is fantastic. It's all made in green. Glove compartment opens, actually. Again, open this lid here. It opens and closes correctly. Sun visors, a headliner, seats that fold towards the front, the back seats with seat belts and a carpet, rubber mat, stick shift handle, the dashboard and steering wheel made with a very high quality. This gas cap is fixed, but it's really realistic, as well as this antenna that moves up and down, and a trunk which has all components in there. It has a lock, a spare tire, a jack, and gas tank pipe right there, as well as a trim and a Challenger TA badge right here in the spoiler. I really like the tail lights and the bumper, which are perfect. They have no imperfection at all, no cast marking, nothing really. And the trim around the windows are made with a sort of a sticker, with a chrome sticker, which is very realistic. Let's take a look at the driver's side. Steering wheel, which actually steers the front wheel just like any other 1/18 scale models. Door crank, door panels, which are very realistic. That's a very nice model. I really like Highway 61 a lot. Door handle, which is a separate piece. Mirror in the right proportion. Front blinker. And the bottom of the car, which is just like the other Mopars, made in primer here and the body color right there. Mufflers go all the way back and then go to the side. That's the reason we don't have the dual exhaust in the rear. The Hemi orange engine, suspension with functional coil springs, brake lines, which are very realistic, a tranny, a drive shaft that moves as we move the rear tires. It turns. So this bottom is really very realistic, made with a very high quality. I really like this car. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all comments and likes, for subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to leave your comments and your likes below, to subscribe my channel, and to click the bell for news. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.